My name is Rahul Gand and I'm back with one more cool experiment whose topic is taste of starch in potato slices and a loaf of bread. So the materials required to conduct this experiment are some slices of potato, iodine solution and a dropper. So our first step would be we'll take some drops of iodine in our dropper. So we open this drop of iodine carefully. But remember friends, always do this under parent supervision. So we took this and now as you can see friends, we took some drops of iodine. Now we'll close it. Now we'll first try on our loaf of bread. So we'll put some drops of it on the bread. Whoa, it's changing color. As you can see friends, when we put the drops of iodine on the bread, it changes blue black. Whoa, this is cool. Now, we'll try it on some other items. On the slices of potato. We took some more iodine, opened it carefully, but always do this under parent supervision. We took some drops of it. And now we'll put it on the potato slice. Whoa! It changes color. As you can see, friends. Whoa! It changes color. See, friends. Now I'll tell you why it was that. Because the loaf of bread and the potato both contains carbohydrates called starch. So that's why when we put drops of iodine in it, that's why it turns blue black. I tested it before also. That's why it turns completely blue black from this side and from the other side. So as you can see friends, this is the experiment. As you can see, this and this, it has turned completely into blue black. So our main aim was to prove the concept that loaf of bread and potato slices contains carbohydrate or starch. And now thank you, bye bye, and I hope I was able to make you understand the concept of starch. Bye bye.